Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome. My name is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer and founder of Internet Mobile. Thanking you very much for your time. My dad always tells me, Avi, when you invite people, make sure you take care of them because the most expensive thing that you can ask for somebody is their time. So in this next few minutes that I'm spending with you, I promise you that I will teach you a concept which will help you further your business and save more time than ever before. Ready? Let's go for it. This training is for you, ladies and gentlemen. If you're marketing a personal brand, it could be you, or you're working for a company that wants to market a personal brand. You could be a digital marketer, marketing agency, whoever. Second, if you're a product and you are wanting to promote it, or if you're a service, or if you're an expert like a coach or a consultant, or if you're in the B2B industry like I've been for a long time, or you're a retailer doing B2C products, then this is for you. But why do I keep talking about videos? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Micro Video Mastery System, a system that will allow you to get known, allow you to sell your products and services, become a YouTuber, Instagrammer, freelancer, whatever you want. Take your existing business or start a new digital business using micro videos. Welcome to MBM. But why do I keep talking about videos? Everywhere Avi Arya is talking about videos because, ladies and gentlemen, it's not me. I follow trends. I follow successful people who follow trends, and that they all say 80% of the world is watching videos. And so therefore, if your business is not showing videos on these screens, then you are nowhere to be found. So all the best with the 40, 50 or 100 clients that you already have, or the 200 people in the city who know you. But what about the rest of the world who's going on Google and YouTube and searching for new products and services? They are not finding you, ladies and gentlemen. So therefore, I insist on videos. And I created and marketed and perfected this system over the last few years. And some of the best coaches in the country have given us a thumbs up on the program.
His course, Micro Video Mastery, is one of the best. So to close more deals, to make things happen, and to bring out your message in short video formats, I would highly recommend this, okay?
Using this method that he calls micro video marketing. And I truly have experienced the power of Avi Arya's micro video marketing method.
He told people about the value that you could give people through micro videos.
I think the MVM process by Avi, it's a very simple idea and it's extremely effective as well.
I personally started creating these short videos. I saw a stat that the majority of something like 80% or 90% of content consumed online was video content.
These guys teach you how to master those micro videos, and honestly speaking, this is something which I have been using in my business since a very long time.
I have been using video marketing for more than a year, and I have personally made more than 50 lakhs in revenue. Avi Arya's Micro Video Mastery, he has simplified the whole marketing into such a simple format.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and I'll tell you how at the end of this video, you too will understand why this program is working for people around the world. Can I show you one more video?
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कोच सलमान खान, सफल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मुंबई, और मैं बिजनेस कोचिंग में हूँ मुंबई में। लास्ट 6 साल से मैं इस प्रोफेशन में हूँ। मेरे पास सेल्स टीम है, मार्केटिंग टीम है, लेकिन हम लोग लीड्स के लिए, क्लाइंट के लिए स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे। 3 महीने पहले मैंने सर का एडवर्टाइज देखा फेसबुक पे, और फिर मैंने उनके वेबिनार अटेंड किया। उसके बाद मैंने जो प्रोग्राम में गया, और वहां से मेरे बिजनेस में ड्रास्टिक चेंजेस आया है। माइक्रो वीडियो के थ्रू मैंने लास्ट 45 डेज में 14 लाख का डील क्लोज किया है। मैं रिकमेंड करूंगा सारे लोगों को सर का प्रोग्राम करने के लिए।
So these kind of results have been coming from different parts of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, now I want to tell you one thing, that if you are a human being who is using your phone or laptop to engage on social media, चाहे आप अपनी marketing कर रहे हो या नहीं कर रहे हो, if you're a marketer or not a marketer, good marketing or bad marketing, you're all doing personal branding and marketing yourself. Now let me tell you how marketing works. This is called a level 1 marketer. A level 1 marketer is somebody who uses newspaper ads, somebody who uses banner ads and pamphlet ads to reach out to people. And they think that they're able to reach out to the right person. They'll maybe go to the temple or pray to God and say, I hope I reach the right customer, then my phone starts ringing. This hope and prayer business doesn't work in 2021. So level 1 marketer is out of here. Then comes level 2 marketer. This level 2 marketer says, you know what, I'm doing cold calling. I've got a new SMS software and I'm doing one-on-one meetings. Whenever you call me, I'm in a meeting, boss. I'm in a meeting. I can't attend family functions. I'm missing out on school appointments. I'm missing out on so much of life because I'm in meetings. Guys, 2% return for this kind of a marketer. I don't think this can work. Thank you very much, level 1, level 2 marketer. We don't need you anymore. Now, few years back, entered the level 3 marketer. Now, this person understood that Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube allow you to target the right customer at the right time with the right message. Boom, everything changed in the whole world. Or everything on Facebook. Guess what? But we're in 2020 now. This is not going to work anymore. Now is the time, ladies and gentlemen, for the level 4 marketer. Who is the level 4 marketer? This person understands that they have to follow the trends of the market. If the market data is saying 80% people are watching videos, level 4 marketer does video Facebook ads. They do video lead magnets, video emails, video proposals, video digital assets, videos on their website, YouTube channel, Instagram channel. Once the video marketer level 4 knows that I have to cover all of these marketers. So tell me, if you're watching this, please put it in the comment. Let me know. If you want, what level of marketing are you at today and what level you want to be at? Put it there, put it in the comments. Where are you today and where you want to be? I assume every smart person wants to be there. With all humility and thank you to God, blessings of my parents and hard work of my team, this system that I created for myself because I was fed up of spending time away from my 2 beautiful daughters and my 6 dogs and my lovely wife and my family. All the time traveling, I created a system called the Micro Video Mastery System for myself and my 3 companies with total of more than 300 people. So I tested it on myself and others before I brought this system to the whole world. And for the last 2 years, we've had over 15,000 people who've taken this system. I'm now going to tell you how and what I achieved from this system that you too can for your business and your family. I hope you're having a good time, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is going to be revolutionary. Please take out a paper, pencil, pen, something for you to be able to absorb this system and take it very well with you. Ladies and gentlemen, in 2009, I founded a company called Internet Moguls with a 4-member team. No bootstrap, no funding, no co-founders, no help from anywhere. Started a small company, started working with a small team. And today, after 10 years, ladies and gentlemen, Internet Moguls has more than 220 plus members working for 700 clients in 10 countries. These are some of our offices in Delhi. They are afternoon, morning, and evening rituals where we help our clients and our companies around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, we have built a beautiful team, and this entire team is now automated, and everybody does videos to be able to do business. Internet Moguls was also awarded the best social media agency across various platforms for many years. My videos started getting around, and people started seeing me and saying, "I love the way you talk. Can you come and speak on stage?" I started getting stage appointments, which I never would as a child, because as a child, I was overweight, underconfident, I used to stammer. My favorite word was car, which I used to pronounce as tar. From there to be able to get on stages, videos got me known, and that's how I got onto stages. Small stages for 25 consultants to 5,000 people in different parts of the world. I have gone and trained and spoken to people around the world. Everybody should do that. TEDx Talk said everyone. Fine. So we got that as well. I got an invite from TEDx because they saw my videos and they said, "We like the way you speak. Why don't you come and speak to us?" Ladies and gentlemen, micro videos changed my life and I was able to travel around the world and speak at multiple corporations. And today, by the grace of God and the hard work of my team and the blessings of my parents, I'm enrolled as a speaker in one of the greatest speaker bureaus in the world, London Speaker Bureau, which has the top speakers of the world. 2 years back, they featured me as a speaker over there. And I today am one of India's highest paid social media speakers, ladies and gentlemen. At the age of 18, when there was a huge family crisis and we lost everything, I joined my dad's small 27-room guest house. At that time, there was something new on the market called the internet. I started working for a few years, and in my early 20s, I started making short videos of travel and invited foreigners to come to India. Those videos made me famous as a 20-year-old in my travel business. We had so much business coming in from our websites, we were able to make multiple hotels in the next few years. The internet and videos changed my life back then. These are some of the hotels that we own and operate in India. I made this into a system and I said, I need to train people. In the last few months alone, 10,000 plus new accounts have come in, 17 plus thousand enrollments in less than 18 months have come in, because people want a system of videos to be able to dominate. I also founded the Digital Masters Alliance along with 9 of my beautiful colleagues. And this is one of India's largest digital marketing training alliances. Impact Magazine listed me in the top 100 icons of the region, and Influensive in San Diego named me top 25 global influencers. Ladies and gentlemen, the one shift that happened in my life is what I want to should happen for you as well. Instead of us running around and finding clients, because of our videos on the internet, clients reach out to you rather than you going to them. The complete game changes when the clients come searching for you. And this is what happens. You get SMSs, you get WhatsApps, you get emails to speak. People ask you how much you're going to charge to speak. Your query form on your website starts getting filled up. You get long-term business partnership queries, and you get people to say that international invitations start happening. I have learned this system after meeting hundreds and hundreds of experts around the world, ladies and gentlemen. Not only did I do this system, I also used this to meet people around the world so I could learn more. How many of you feel that you want to meet big clients and famous personalities, either for your YouTube show or your Instagram or for your business? You need to keep on meeting people. And all these appointments happen because of videos. I'll show you the videos that I sent to Gary Vaynerchuk, one of the world's biggest social media influencers, and how that meeting went.
What up, internet moguls? It's me, Gary V. You may know that. I think you see me a whole bunch because of this dude. Had a great meeting. I just want to send my love. Thank you so much for the love that you gave me first, and I can't wait to actually meet you guys.
Thanks, Gary.
Oh, hey. I walked in here, I'm like, what the hell, man? Where is everybody?
We're now in New Delhi, India.
I walked in because the back screen wasn't on. So, what's going on, beautiful people?
Grant, thank you for taking the time out. This is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer and founder of Internet Moguls. The weather is not the best today, but Vancouver is always awesome, and it is great to be back with my friend Dan. Amazing human beings, you can meet them all through sending videos to people. I was able to meet Grant Cardone, Dan Locke, Gary Vaynerchuk, Pat Flynn, Stu McLaren, Billie Jean, Ritesh Agarwal, Guy Kawasaki, all of these people, ladies and gentlemen, to make connections with amazing human beings around the world, either for your interviews or for your business relationships. Micro videos are the way to go. Why am I telling you all of this? Because, ladies and gentlemen, if this guy at the age of 18 who was overweight and underconfident and had pimples on his face and could stammer, if he can do it, you can do it too. Ladies and gentlemen, this system will work for you even if you've never shot a single video in your life. If you know nothing about digital marketing, if you are totally non-technical or have lack of confidence or fear of facing the camera, this will still work for you. Why am I so confident? Abhi, you come across as too confident, man. You've been doing it for a long time. Ladies and gentlemen, I am confident because I've got examples, hundreds and thousands of examples. This is Nikhil and Shivyanshi. They started a fitness training business and they were traveling all over the city trying to get fitness clients. They came into my coaching program, they got into my system, and now they're running videos from all over the world.
Hi everyone, I am Nikhil. I'm an international athlete, been into 8 different sports, fitness enthusiast, animal lover, and now living my life at its best.
Hi, I'm Shivyanshi, a Taekwondo athlete turned social media marketer and now helping fitness enthusiasts to grow their business online.
Today we are going to tell you how we exactly met Avi sir and how his micro video mastery course helped us in building our online.
These are amazing entrepreneurs and there's amazing video stories, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and all ages, Miss Nandini Rao.
But I'll tell you one very important thing that has happened out of this MBM. My
Right.
constantly, my podcast is also a result of my MBM journey
Right.
only. So, you know, like one day I woke up in the morning, I was looking really shabby. I said, "Chal podcast bana dete hai," and I posted it. And
Right.
all my video fans appreciated the podcast as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Nandini Rao has started her own YouTube channel, her own podcast, and her own Facebook community, and she's become an influencer in her own right. Ruchi Batra, let's see what she has to say.
There are 2 kids, a compulsive optimist person, mom influencer, somebody who loves to talk and is a magic maker. I am a nutritionist and a lifestyle fitness coach. And to identify these 6 lines, it has taken me, I think, 3 decades after schooling. Because now I think I've got the answer to the question of, introduce your son. It's been a decade that I have been evolving as a professional in my industry. But trust me guys, it has taken me 6 long years of constant efforts for me to come and face in front of the camera. And I think the transformation just happened in 6 minutes after I spoke to Avi. And he was the one who could actually take me from shyness to the awesomeness.
Ladies and gentlemen, she went from shyness to awesomeness, started creating videos. Even in these times, your business is not giving up. Look at what this lady has to say. Look at what everybody's saying. Dr. Rennie, he's 65 plus years old. He's become a TikTok sensation. He came into our program 6 months ago. Look at what he says.
How many of you would like to know what are the 3 things that you should knock out of your kitchen to ensure that you live a good, healthy life? This is Dr. Lenny DeCosta, a functional medicine expert, a geriatric physician, and the author of the upcoming book, Is Your Doctor Keeping You Sick?
Ladies and gentlemen, all of these people are writing books, they're making public speaking arrangements. Their YouTube channels are going crazy. Their TikToks are going crazy. They're becoming influencers. They're getting known, no like, trust, and buy. They're getting known, they're getting liked by people. They're getting trusted, and eventually they're doing video commerce through the MVM program. If you too want to do video commerce, keep listening to how this works. Seema Nanda, skincare professional, working, making money during Corona days.
Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Seema Nanda, mother of 2 boys, skincare professional turned hotelier, founder of the Nomadic Spa Salon services for women at home, and Aesthetico, the facial bar, and a cosmetologist by education. So even before this news of coronavirus started, my niche, I was basically cosmetology-based facials, what we were doing. People used to come to our center and I would give them knowledge of what we were doing, how is it different from I would differentiate, I would just talk about my USP. But the moment right now, at this point of stage, I decided what can get me some momentum at this moment. So I changed my service that I'm offering to the people. And I started using those as my bullet points, and I've started circulating smaller videos in the community that I have. And people, in fact, for about 2-3 days, there was absolute silence in this part of the town. And when they kept seeing my videos on my status, on my stories, and then you wouldn't believe that people started messaging me. Seema, what is this, the new thing that you're doing? Can we join this? I said, sure, you can join this and up your skin game. So This is what I did, and I've got fantastic response thanks to the videos that I'm doing, and I'm constantly updated.
So is this a system that can actually allow people to make money, or is it just something for your ego? You put out videos and people say, wow, you're looking nice, and it finishes.
Avi, I should tell you I'm making money. I'm making good money at this moment also. I'm recession proof, I'm corona proof.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's what we want to hear from everyone. Everybody makes money at all times. Ladies and gentlemen, there are 3 secrets to my system. Please take out your pen and paper and diary and listen to this. 3 systems. 1, you get to be known with your hero story. 2, you get leads from the market. Every business needs leads. And 3, you can convert any client using this system, using the MVM system. Okay, secret number 1 to be able to be known through video is to create your hero story. Be authentic, be yourself, be vulnerable, be empathetic, give value every day, and know what your target audience wants and create videos for them. My hero story, my name is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer and founder of Internet Moguls. But I've helped thousands of people create some stories, and I'm going to show you some of the awesome stories that people have sent us. Look at this hero story.
Hi, my name is Vidushi Mehra, mother of twins, a stage performer by passion, an MBA in marketing and finance with over 12 years of experience in companies like GE Capital, American Express, and ABN AMRO Bank. My last position was marketing head for fashion designers Shantanu and Nikhil, and I now speak at corporate seminars. You would have probably seen me in a Bollywood film.
This is one example of a hero introduction, ladies and gentlemen. You put a hero introduction at the beginning and end of every video, and I'll teach you in my program how you can use this to be able to dominate the internet. Look at what Harsh Juneja has to say.
Hi, I am Harsh Juneja, son of an entrepreneur and super mother from a town that's not small anymore, with dreams that won't fit in edifice, a loser turned entrepreneur who believes you can't win unless you learn how to lose. It's a great pleasure connecting with you through this WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you're watching this. My endeavor is to connect with you and tell you about me as a family person. This is my hero introduction. What's yours?
Ladies and gentlemen, all of these people have got awesome results. You go and see their Instagram and see what happens to them. Ladies and gentlemen, number 2, this is the hero introduction. Number 2, how to connect data of the right people and collect leads from the market. You could be in any professional, B2B, B2C, product, service, whatever. You'll be able to collect data using the hero funnel. I'll show you just by doing a few video calls. I was able to collect 80,000 plus subscribers in less than a couple of months. But now I'm going to teach you something which will blow your mind away. It's called the hero video funnel to be able to collect leads for your right customer without having to leave the house, without having a sales team, without doing anything. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a 3-step process. 1, you send a video and put it on Facebook. 2nd, when people click on that video, they come to your landing page. That's also another video. When they click on the landing page video, they want to download an information piece that you've given to them as a lead magnet. Again, they get a video, 3-step video, and I'll show you the results. That's video number 1, the Hero Lead Magnet.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the internet's biggest guide on how you can use videos to create your own online course. Tell your husband, wife, mother, father, best friend, whoever is going to be with you right now. Tell them that I have found right now the internet's biggest guide to video creation and making your online courses. Here you'll have a checklist, you have formats, you have systems, you have the step-by-step guide to go through every tool. Anything that you need to create your online course is available in this article. And for whatever reason, if you need more information, come to my Facebook community, Learn Social Media with Abhi Arya. Learn Social Media with Abhi Arya. Drop in your question, Abhi, I've read the internet's biggest guide on how to create video courses. I need more information, and I will give you more and more and more information. Anything that you need, me and my family and my team are here to do for you. My name is Abhi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer and founder of Internet Moguls, welcoming you to the internet's biggest guide on how to create videos and your online course. Read till the very end and let me know how you liked it. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was step 1 of the Hero Funnel. I put this video on Facebook. Step 2, people click on the video. They said, I want the lead magnet.
Welcome to this guide. I am saying this is one of the internet's biggest guides on how you can create an online course. All you need to do is understand that आपकी life में you're 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94, 104. At any age, life has given you one thing, which is your experience. And you can use your experience and put it into bite-sized videos and create an online course. But उसका कोई system होगा, कोई format होगा. How do you go about it? Yes, there is. So me and my team, we put in a lot of time, lot of revisions, lot of additions, and now we've come up with a guide which is 10,000 words. कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करना है, कौन सी वेबसाइट पे जाना है, कैसे उसको एडिट करना है, कैसे बनाना है, everything is written in this guide. You need nothing else after you download this guide. This guide I normally sell for some money, but right now I'm doing an offer which is absolutely free. So please download it before the link disappears. Download it and start creating your online course. My name is Abhi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer and founder of Internet Moguls. Do let me know how you enjoyed it. Click now, download it.
So ladies and gentlemen, this was step 2 of the Hero Funnel. Now comes to step 3. I hope you're enjoying this journey so far. So with doing all of these 2 things, people came in, downloaded. I was able to get 40,339 subscribers, 40,339 leads. Now, what did I do with the leads? Yes, I got the leads. I didn't have to travel. My videos traveled. They got me the leads. Then I used Facebook remarketing to send a video. Again, I did not travel. I again sent a video strategy, a micro video to only these 40,000 people. And I sold them a program for 450 rupees each. A small micro mini program, 1 hour program with 4 small solutions to people's business questions. And I sold it to this audience, which had already downloaded my guide at 450 rupees. Watch how this worked.
If you're a digital marketer, watch this video till 120 seconds. Boys and girls, it's the best field to be in. Congratulations, you're a digital marketer. But मैंने कुछ digital marketers की problem identify करी है. You know how? The one thing that I did every time was to use my smartphone to create videos and an internet connection. That's all I needed to A, get clients in India, get clients all over the world. But this needed a step-by-step system. Number 1, उनकी hero introduction. Who am I? अभी मैं दुनिया को अपने आप को कैसे introduce करूँ? Number 2, मेरी micro niche क्या है? Which niche should I go and offer my products and services under? Third, how do I reach out to international clients all over the world? My hero introduction. My name is Abhi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer and the founder of Internet Moguls. This hero introduction has a format which I teach you inside the program. Number 2, how do I find my hero micro niche? I've been doing digital marketing only for hotels for the first 10 years. Now I'm doing micro videos for digital marketers. How do I find my hero micro niche? I'll teach you that formula inside as well. Thirdly, Abhi, all this is fine. I've done all of this, but how do I get clients in India? And heck, how do I get clients all over the world? There is a system.
There is a video system that I teach you, a 4-minute, 4-step close any deal method inside this program. And guess what? This is a small power pack program which you can finish very fast and then get an opportunity to enter into our community where there are 7,000 other people, learn from all of them, come for my master classes and a lot more in a short power pack program which is less than the price of a movie ticket. If you found this information useful, click on the link and then I'll see you on the other side.
So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, 3-step hero funnel. I made 3 videos and then I remarket to them just a short 450 rupee course. And you want to see the results? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the results have been fantastic for everything that you use videos, because level 4 marketers use video. 11,43,209 rupees from this one campaign that lasted only for 30 days. That is the power of putting videos everywhere. Level 4 marketer, video in the ad, video on the landing page, video in the remarketing video, and that's how you win. This is Mohit Jain. He started a digital marketing agency and he made 3.5 lakh rupees in just 3 days. His videos are available all over the internet and you can see what he's doing. Ladies and gentlemen, the third secret, I told you a hero introduction. I told you about how to get leads with the hero funnel. Now I'm going to teach you how to get any client on the planet. You might say, Avi, I like your video system. It allows me to work remotely. It allows my teams to work remotely. It allows us to do webinars. It allows us to introduce ourselves to buyers in India and around the world. It allows me to sell my products and services. You're going to tell us lots of stuff inside the coaching system. But Avi, how do I get my big clients? I have a dream client where I have to travel for my dream client. I understand we all have dream clients. So before you start this, before you go ahead, please in your diary, put the name of your dream client and the company name. Quickly, the name and the company name. And in the next 4 minutes, I will prove to you that you will get any client using the MVM system. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the MVM 4-step, 4-minute close any deal method. Yes, you heard it right. 4-step, 4-minute close any deal method. So here's what you do. All you need is your smartphone and you're going to follow this system. 4 steps in the system. Step 1, your hero introduction. Step 2, the 3 pain points of your client. You work with your clients, you know their pain points. Step 3 is the testimonials of the clients you work with. And step 4 is an offer. And I'll teach you all 4 of them in the next 4 minutes. All you need is a smartphone. I'm going to pick up my smartphone. And for the sake of this example, I'm going to use the word Gaurav, the name Gaurav, and say Gaurav is a hotelier and I'm a digital marketer and I'm going to pitch to Gaurav. Pick up my phone, press click. Hi Gaurav, my name is first step, hero introduction. Hi Gaurav, my name is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer, founder of Internet Moguls. I hope you're doing very well, Gaurav. I'm going to ask you for only 4 minutes of your time to tell you how in the next 3 months I can increase the revenue of your hotel by up to 30%. Yes, absolutely right. And I'm going to give you the strategy right now. All I need is 4 minutes of your time. Second, 3 points of your client. Gaurav, I understand you've got a beautiful 84-room hotel that does very well, but you have 50% corporates and 30% travel agents, and everybody charges you 50% commission to send those guests. That is criminal. What if I showed you a direct strategy, video strategy to be able to get direct business on your website using videos, which will come to you at a cost of 15% per cost of acquisition of a client, thereby saving you 35%. Sounds interesting? Please keep listening. Gaurav, I also understand you have a beautiful Indian restaurant that does very well on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it's absolutely khali, empty. What if I showed you a Facebook ad strategy which will show coupon ads of the lunch and dinner and happy hour coupons to people in the 5-kilometer radius who can see it and come? When you see those video ads being shown and people are coupon, you'll know that they're coming from us. Third, Gaurav, I've got more for you. I also understand you've got a beautiful banquet where you have weddings and you have corporate events. And I saw your website and you are reaching out, your sales team is reaching out to people. How about your team coming to you, your clients coming to you? We all know if a client comes to us versus you going to a client, everything changes. I'll tell you a LinkedIn video strategy where you can run ads to all the corporates in the 10-kilometer radius so that they see your ad and they reach out to you and they come to you. We all know that the sales cycle will be half. Gaurav, you and I both know, even if you get 1 extra wedding or 1 extra corporate booking from any of these corporate with this strategy, your entire profitability for the whole quarter will change. Agreed? Great. Gaurav, thank you very much for listening to me so far. Now I've come to the testimonials page. This is Mr. Jacob, who we've been helping with his hotels for the last 2 years and increased his productivity by over 40% by working with him. Here is Miss Pooja, who we've helped with her restaurant business. Great restaurant. She had similar problems as yours. We've been able to solve it. Please feel free to look at the case study. And here is Mr. Arya, who we were able to help with his banquet to get him more corporate bookings from everyone. So we've got enough and more testimonials. Now I've come to the final part, which is my level, step 4, which is an offer. Gaurav, my biggest offer is that I'm not going to waste your time. So you don't need to travel. I don't need to travel. I don't need to ask for meetings, anything. There is a calendar link here at the end of my email. Please click on the calendar link and it'll automatically open up a calendar at your convenience. Fix a 20 minutes video call with us. Me and my team will give you a 4-step system for 20 minutes on how you can increase your room, F&B, and your banquet business in 3 months by 30%, as I promised in the beginning. All you need to do is click on the link and we will meet on a video call. Thank you very much, Gaurav. My 4 minutes are over. Once again, my name is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer, founder of Internet Moguls. Click. And you put the phone down, and like that, it took me less than 4 minutes. And I tell you a strategy. I say, work with clients using my formula. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. In my coaching system, in my videos, I teach you how to break it down and reach any client in any part of the world. You don't need to travel. Your teams don't need to travel. No travel and accommodation, unnecessary costs. Sit at home, sit remotely, do wherever you are. Use videos to do business in today's day and age, ladies and gentlemen. People in all languages are using videos and using my MBM system. You can see how a certified health coach got 3x or more clients using micro videos.
नमस्कार, मी अनुष्का कपाडिया महाराष्ट्रावरून. मी एक मास्टर सर्टिफाईड हेल्थ कोच, ऑन्कॉलॉजी न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट आणि ऑटोइम्युन डिझीज स्पेशलिस्ट आहे. मी होली हर्ब या मेडिकल कॅनॅबिस ब्रँडची फाउंडरसुद्धा आहे. आम्ही खूप एक्सक्लुझिव्ह रेंज ऑफ मेडिकल कॅनॅबिस प्रॉडक्ट्स बनवतो आणि हेमसीड सप्लिमेंटसुद्धा बनवतो. तुम्ही आमची पूर्ण रेंज www.beblissful.in वर जाऊन चेक करू शकता. पण हा व्हिडिओ मी स्वतःसाठी नाही, पण अवी आर्यांना थँक्यू म्हणायला बनवला आहे. कारण जेव्हापासनं मी त्यांचा मायक्रो व्हिडिओ मास्टरीचा कोर्स केला आहे, तेव्हापासनं मला खूप सारे क्लायंट्स भेटले आहे आणि त्या क्लायंट्ससोबत मी खूप डीपर कनेक्शन एस्टॅब्लिश करू शकली आहे. मी खूप छान कंटेंट क्रिएट करू शकली आहे आणि खूप लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचूसुद्धा शकली आहे. दिस इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ अवी आर्याज मायक्रो व्हिडिओ मास्टरी कोर्स. थँक्यू सो मच.
I hope you keep doing well. Awesome. What is this guy doing? He's a social media marketer using video.
అండి, నా పేరు కొల్లూరి సుదీప్. నేను రీసెంట్గా కోర్స్ చూశాను, దట్ ఇస్ మైక్రో వీడియో మాస్టరీ బై మిస్టర్ అవి ఆర్య. నేను నార్మల్ పర్సన్ని స్టేబుల్ ఆన్లైన్ బిజినెస్ బిల్డ్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాను, కానీ నా దగ్గర రీసోర్స్ లేదు, నాలెడ్జ్ లేదు. బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ గోయింగ్ త్రూ దిస్ కోర్స్ నాకు ఒక ఇన్విటేషన్ ఎలా చేయాలి, క్లయింట్తో ఎలా మాట్లాడాలి, ఎలా క్లోజ్ చేయాలి, ఎలా బిజినెస్ని మానిటైజ్ చేసుకోవాలి, అదే కాకుండా ఒక డిజిటల్ ఆంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్‌షిప్.
Ladies and gentlemen, people from all walks of life. Gentlemen from Kolkata.
আমি আকাশ বিশ্বাস। আমি আজকে যে আকাশ বিশ্বাসকে আপনারা দেখছেন, এই আকাশ বিশ্বাস আজকে অনেকটাই বেশি কনফিডেন্স এবং অনেকটাই বেশি এই যে ক্যামেরার সামনে কথা বলা, এই কথা বলাটা আজকে আমার কাছে অনেকটাই সরগোল হয়েছে। কার জন্য জানেন? মিস্টার অভিজিৎ আরিয়া স্যারের যদি আমি MBM প্রোগ্রাম কখনো না নিতাম, আমি কখনো বুঝতে পারতাম না যে আমার ভিতরে এই ক্যামেরা ফেস করার একটা অদ্ভুত ক্ষমতা রয়েছে। মাইক্রো ভিডিও মাস্টারি কোর্স, যে কোর্সের থ্রু আপনি নিজের কনফিডেন্সের থ্রু আপনি যে কোনো কাস্টমারকে যে
Ladies and gentlemen, people are doing business. Look at this. I love this part.
With the very small investment in the micro video mastery, I was able to generate 30 times the revenue.
Post MVM course, I started reaching out to people through videos using Avi's unique formula. In fact, I already got 2 opportunities for business coaching worth 100K in rupees.
I have enrolled into this course MVM of Avi Arya sir, and within first week I have earned around 24,000.
माइक्रो वीडियो के थ्रू मैंने लास्ट 45 डेज में 14 लाख का डील क्लोज किया है।
Ladies and gentlemen, thousands of people are doing it around the world, and now I want you to get into this program. I hope you liked it. If you're watching it, just put in a comment over here. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a final announcement to make for all of you people. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, now, through this video right now, wherever you're watching this, I want to offer you all my 33 videos. In this 33 videos, first step, you will go from shyness to awesomeness. It's a 1-week program which you will understand how to make videos. You will not be shy. What kind of tools to use and how the setup will happen. After that, you will go to level 2, how to introduce yourself to the world. Your hero introduction and Instagram videos, your Facebook videos, and all of those videos will be done. Third will be, how do I use videos to do business and get leads? And fourth will be to be able to get sales from anywhere in the world. All these 33 videos are step by step by step, and people from 4 to 84 are using these videos around the world. I'm going to give you all of this in the bundles. But I also understand as a coach, you cannot do it on your own. You do need training. So what I've done is I've included 1 year of training inside this. So the videos, you get lifetime access, and you get 1 year training with me, in which we have 40 plus trainings. Every week I come and I train you. I train you to teach you how to do sales with videos, because your way of sales may not be working today. I tell you how to generate leads through videos. I tell you how to do personal branding through videos, how to make a tools through videos, Zoom, Canva, ConvertKit, ClickFunnels, how to use websites, all of those things I'm going to teach you. And finally, how to scale a business. All of these trainings, 1 year worth of trainings. Every Saturday I come live and I teach you for an hour. And also there's all these videos. All of this, ladies and gentlemen, I am offering to you. But now listen, I'm going to tell you how much this is because I've got a special price for you. I've also included in this first section, going from shyness to awesomeness. Find your own awesomeness, get over shyness. Number 2, how to introduce yourself to the world. And all of you people who are wanting to do social media courses, please understand there's only one thing called level 4 marketing today. So I'm going to teach you that in the program. You don't need to buy anything else. Building a sales team that never sleeps, because I'm going to help you create videos all over the internet. And then finally, because it's my passion and I became a speaker, I want you to become a speaker. So all the speaker modules are included. So you don't need to buy any other course. In this course, you're going to get all of these things as well. This course is 24,999 rupees as it is. But I want to add things to you. I told you I want to add 40 trainings to it. So what are my training bundles that I include in this? In this, one is your personal branding blueprint, because if you don't brand yourself, in Hindi they say log logo ke saath kaam karte hain, logo ke saath nahi. So stop hiding behind the brand and the logo. Go out there, introduce yourself and your personality and your vulnerability and all of that. People connect with people, they make relationships, know, like, trust, and then buy happens. How does that happen? How do you do it? How do you do it on YouTube? How do you build collaboration? How do you do your hero story? That entire personal branding blueprint. People are going and doing these courses. I've already included this training, which is 19,999, and I've included this in the bundle. Now this bundle becomes 44,000 rupees. But what I've done and gone ahead and done is that I've also included how to get leads through digital marketing, because all of you people may not know the right ways of doing digital marketing, especially as a level 4 marketer. Facebook ads, funnel creation, webinars, all of those things are included in the program in my training. And now the bundle, when I include all of this, the bundle becomes 59,000 rupees. But I still want to give you more. So I've added a sales formula in this, how to do sales, how to follow up through sales, how to create offers through videos, finally, how to build proposals. How can you build video proposals, which is the most important part. And I've added all of those things because people need to learn this. With all of these trainings and all of this, the program becomes 79,000 rupees. But guess what? I also understand many of you are not able to scale your business. It's sometimes you're not even to take out your own salary as an entrepreneur. You're not able to pay other people's expenses. So how do you continue to scale a business with videos without having to travel so much? Is a scaling blueprint training, which I teach for 11,999. And what I've done is I've included all of these things into my program. One final thing I wanted to give all of you people is the toolkit, because unless in 2020 you know how to use Zoom, Calendly, Zapier, ManyChat, Canva, Facebook funnels and all of that, you will not be able to understand how to market yourself on the internet. So this toolkit training is 9,999, which I've included in the bundle. Now, so the all-in-one micro video mastery bundle, which I've taught over 12,000 entrepreneurs in different parts of the world, in all languages, from people who are kids to people who are in their 80s, from professors to makeup artists to real estate people to people who are doing B2B or B2C or coach or consultant or digital marketer, housewife, doesn't matter. As long as you want to get known on the internet, start a business on the internet, and you need to become a level 4 marketer. I'm going to put all of this together and it comes to 1,01,994. But for all of you people watching this right now, I've got a spectacular offer for you. The offer will be showing right now. As soon as the offer comes in, click on it because it's a limited time offer. Click on the, wherever you're seeing this on the webinar, click on it because right now the offer becomes 8,999 plus GST only. The link is already in the chat. Go ahead, click on it and make your purchase happen. You will get all the videos within 1 hour of buying the program. You'll get an email from me and you'll get all the videos. And for the next 1 year, I am your coach every Saturday, 6 to 8. We're going to be meeting and we're going to be training for time to come. I've got something even more special for you. My name is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer, founder of Internet Moguls. One special gift for all of you people. For the next 30 minutes, anybody who's on this webinar and said, I'm buying, Avi, I'm buying, I'm getting into your program, I'm an action taker, I'm going to give it to you for 8,999 and I'm going to remove the GST. I'll pay the GST from my side. You are going to give me only 8,999 net price. You get all the videos and you get all the trainings for 1 year. Ladies and gentlemen, all you need to do right now is to go on the chat. There's a link over there. Click on the link and make your purchase happen. Awesome. Amazing, guys. Love it. If you're loving this program and you're loving how I taught you everything, this is just a bit of small trailer. But for 1 year, imagine for 8,999 rupees, we'll be together for 1 year. That's a lot of value added packed into this. You know why? Because I told you, I'm on a mission. I spend enough time away from my family, and I don't want to do that now. So now I'm into the coaching and training business, where I'm going to be teaching all of you people to do what I've done for my businesses, which are still currently running. So I'm not somebody who's never run a business. I'm not somebody who has no idea, has been a consultant to a big business. I run 3 very serious businesses myself. But all of them are automated, and I put them on videos, and therefore I want to teach you the system, and I've got lots of people coming from around the world. And when you learn the system from me, you can further become a coach, and you can start teaching the system to other people as well. Through videos, you can change your life, ladies and gentlemen. But let me tell you, real estate agents, corporates, professionals, people seeking a better job, people seeking a better business, people wanting to move abroad, immigrate abroad, IELTS trainers, every single, in 17 plus, 12 to 17,000 people. We have 12,000 from India, 5,000 from different parts. 17,000 people. We have every genre, doctors, lawyers, everybody's here. Jump in, and one thing I'd like to say is jump in with a family member, because if you do something together, it makes all the difference. So ladies and gentlemen, the link is there for the next few minutes. The GST is going to be on me. Click on the link, and I look forward to seeing you inside the program. As soon as you get into the program, what will happen? Keep an eye on your email, because you will get access to a learning management system. It's like a university. You're getting into my university. I will be there to guide you, and there'll be hundreds of other people. And then you will, second, you will get weekly trainings at 7 o'clock every Saturday from me and my team. And thirdly, you will get support on the Micro Video Mastery Facebook group, which is called the Video Gym. We call it the Video Gym, where you come and exercise your videos with thousands of other people. 3 things are going to happen in the next 1 hour of you getting into the program. Before you go, just wanted to share some messages that people have been sending me. Arun Kumar says, MVM is such a life-changing course. It helped me to recruit and build a sales army through videos and bring sales on autopilot. Ramesh Yadav says, I love your explanation, skills, and simplicity. Down to earth, I recommend every influencer. If you want to become an Instagram or Facebook influencer, definitely get it. Awesome feeling, so excited. How to introduce yourself completely changed my life. Dear Avi sir, in an event, he is a man of charismatic. Okay, this is about me. I don't need to read that. Let's talk about the course. Excellent crash course. It would make life for anybody easy by using a smartphone. I easily suggested you can easily make money sitting at home. That's the idea. Stay close to your family. This is a message we got on Telegram. Namaste. Happy to share my journey so far. Created my InstaMojo account in February. Reached 52,000 in group coaching so far. Already organized 2 classical yoga retreats with over 30 people. Already sold level 1 program in pre-launch. People are loving my style of teaching yoga through, which is unprecedented because it is through videos. Now he developed an online yoga video store, ladies and gentlemen. Many, many other stories, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to get in touch with us, these are my contacts. This is my beautiful team. You can get in touch with us on Instagram at Team Avi Arya Official, or you can send us a WhatsApp on this number, or just email us at support@askaviarya.com. Happy to be serving you through videos, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, my name is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a street car racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer and founder of Internet Moguls. Thank you very much.